My name is Nicole Ward, as mentioned. I am the executive director of the Make Them Know Your Name Foundation, but I am also the mom of Denzel Ward. So you asked who Denzel Ward is. So Denzel Ward is our starting cornerback for the Cleveland Browns. He's a professional football player. And if you look at the banner there, you'll see Denzel is on the right, on my right in the orange, and then my oldest son, PJ, is on the left. We are representing today is a foundation that actually Denzel started with our family in honor of his dad, Paul G. Ward, who was a principal right here at Heskett Middle School. He was also a principal in Carrollwood, and unfortunately, he was participating in a spin class one day. He collapsed and was suffered from sudden cardiac arrest, and no one at that time was able to help him. Make Them Know Your Name Foundation, he wanted to leverage the platform that he was blessed to receive of being a professional football player to make sure that no one else has to experience what we experienced as a family with losing his dad, me losing my husband. Because it doesn't have to be that way if you learn how to do these simple techniques that we're going to be showing you today. How many of you are familiar with CPR? You want to put your face close to their mouth to see if you feel breaths on your face, and you want to look at their chest to see if the chest rises and falls.
Who likes talking chips? Me! Who likes Doritos? Right. Okay. But Doritos and talking chips are not the best for your heart. Why? Skittles. Right. All that stuff is great in moderation, small amount of patience. That stuff has extra chemicals and junk your body just doesn't appreciate.
Time is of the essence. We have to respond, we have to react immediately. And actually, we want to try to make sure we do something in 3 minutes or less. Because the more time that we wait, that we leave our friend laying there or our loved one laying there, then the likelihood of us being able to help them, it diminishes very quickly.